Hi all. Today in this session, we will check how we can filter some data from the SQL table. So for that, let me create a table. So this is my source table, which contains employee ID, first name, middle name, last name, department name, and the start date. So let me create this table. Okay. So I already have this table available. Yeah. Let me see if I have any data in it or not. So there is no data. Let me insert the data into it. So these are the three records that I'm inserting, which says that employee ID 123 with name, first name, middle name, last name, and the department name and the start date. So let's see the data. Okay. So now my source data is available. Let me go to Data Factory. So here, first of all, what I need to do is I need to create a linked service. So I already have the linked service. And I need to create a data set. So I already have the data set available here. Let me create a data flow. Let me give it an appropriate name. Let's click on add source and let me provide it as source, and to select the source type as dataset and the dataset is the source. Let me pull the entire table. Let me click on data preview. So here we have these data, that is employee ID 123 with its corresponding name and the department name and the start date. So let me put a filter on where department name equal to finance. So for that, what I can do is I can click on this plus sign, and if you scroll down, you will see a filter option here on row modifier. Click on that. Click on this. Go to open expression builder. Choose the appropriate column that you want to put a filter, department name, then equal to finance. So you can preview the data. So this says that these are the three department name that I'm getting from the source. And as I have put a filter on department name equal to finance, so that particular record is being ticked out. That means that is passing the filter condition. So it will flow to the next flow. So let me go to data flow, data preview. So now you can see the finance data got selected, which has the employee ID as 2. Let me try to do some more filter expression here. Instead of department name, let me provide the employee ID greater than 3. Let's now refresh it. Okay, so basically my employee ID should be less than 3. I want to put a filter on where employee ID less than 3. So if I click on refresh, you can see the employee ID 1 and employee ID 2 got selected, and the employee ID 3 is not passing this particular filter condition. Now let's go to the data preview once again. Let's see how many data are coming. You should be getting 2 records now, that is employee ID 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. So in this session, we checked how we can use the filter option, how we can filter the data from the source. using data flow. I hope this is helpful. If it is informative, then please like and share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.